How to add emojis in your TikTok username. This is a step-by-step guide, so you will be able to follow easily. Now, this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to open up the TikTok application right here. Now once inside TikTok, you can just navigate through your profile by clicking on the profile icon. You can see that right below your screen right here. Now once inside your profile, all you have to do is to click on edit profile. Now once inside the edit profile button, all you have to do is to click on the name right here. Once inside, click on the text box to edit out your name. And all you have to do is to click on the emoji icon on your keyboard. And from here, we'll be able to add our own emoji into our name. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on the save button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.